Assalamu alaikum. All of you know there are 6 seasons in a country, and winter is one of them. Actually, this winter season starts in December and stays till March, and this is the time of winter morning. Whenever today I came out from my house to see my cornfield, and I observed there is thick fog everywhere, and the farmers don't come here to work on their field. But whenever they hear me, they call me by name, and I'm become happy to hear my sound that there are farmers, and you are watching there are thick fog everywhere. Actually, this winter morning is very enjoyable for the rich people because they are enjoying this beautiful beating cold morning by taking their dose pies or make festival this winter morning taking by pita. But in this beating cold morning, the poor suffers a lot because they don't have money to buy warm clothes like me to protect the beating cold. Actually, thus in this winter morning, the sun is still peeping on the sky, and the sun break can't get out from the foggy situation. You were watching that there is thick fog everywhere, and the farmers don't still come out from their bed, and most of the people still cover themselves by blanket, and they warm themselves. Some of the boys or old person boxing by firing, and you are watching that there are a lot of pipe of straw. And in this beautiful morning or beating cold morning, I have come here, and I am recording my video for you, and I wanna say, I wanna see you that the actual situation is, since this is the time or time 8 a.m. and nobody come here, and though I can hear the sound of birds storming, and the fog is still on around me, and in this beautiful morning the dew drops falls the trees or grass, and it's look like a diamond. I can see you that it's look like a diamond, but I can enjoy it. If possible, I will see you